Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how you can change the name of your folder or your file on the Media Manager so that everything stays organized. It's super quick and easy, and here's how to do it. Go to the Wix drop down at the top, and from here go to Media Manager. Go to Site Files, and you should see all of the folder that your site files contain. Look for the folder you want to work on, and then click on the three-dot button inside it. Here, you'll find options to manage your folder, including to rename it. So click on Rename and input your folder's new name. Once you're done, simply hit Enter on your keyboard, or you can click anywhere outside of the box, and your folder will successfully be renamed. If you wish to rename a file, go to the file you want to work on and then click the three-dot button inside it. You'll see options to manage it here as well, including to rename it. So click on Rename, start typing its new name, and once you're done, you can hit Enter or click anywhere outside of it. And there you have it. That's how you manage or rename your folders and files on the Wix Harmony editor. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.